Bonjour et bienvenue à votre cours de français. Mon nom est Walid et je suis votre professeur. Aujourd'hui, nous allons voir French sounds. French pronunciation is a challenge on many levels. Many sounds don't exist in English. The same sound can be written in many ways. The same written form can be pronounced in different ways depending on the context. The following activity will help you to familiarize yourself with French sounds. Et. Et, as in they. Aimer. Ou. Ou, as in loop. COURS. Wa. Moi. Et. Et as in pair. Être. Et as in ever. Élève. A. A as an accent. Apprendre. Oui. Oui. Huit. E. Jeudi. O. Stylo. Un. Lundi. And now, try to pronounce the following words. Jeudi. Huit. Lundi. Stylo.